Hey guys, it's Jamila, and we're here outside of my classroom at the MetroTech Aviation Career Campus. Before I get to this week's news, I'm going to be showing you how we test the magnetos before we install them onto the engines. A magneto is an electrical generator that creates a spark for the ignition to be able to fire the spark plugs. We use this magneto to test the magneto to ensure that the magneto will function properly once we install it onto the engine. I hope this gave you a bit more insight of the life of an aviation mechanic. This week at MetroTech, the Culinary Arts program prepared and served a delicious Valentine's Day brunch on Tuesday at the MetroTech Cafe for faculty, staff, and their friends and family. Pre-nursing and biomed students attended a health sciences career fair at the Canadian Valley Technology Centers. And at our district center, various Black-owned businesses and vendors got the chance to showcase their products and services at our Black History Month festival. It was an awesome afternoon full of delicious food, good music, and a time spent celebrating Black History Month. On Saturday, basic firefighter cadets took the polar plunge after successfully raising $1,624 for the Special Olympics. And last Wednesday, the Eyecare Technologies program represented MetroTech with their booth at the Junior Achievement Expo at OU. I hope you all had a great week and have an even greater weekend. Thanks for watching MetroTech for Life.